Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching.
What's happening, party people? Man, I have really got to get my dash cam back up and running. Something happened to my dash cam. It fell one day, and since then, I can't see what's on the display. Not really sure how it's recording. It seems to be recording fine, but I can't see what it's recording. A little awkward. I need to get some files off of it. I've been driving around without it, and man, I've been missing some very interesting footage. Like just a couple blocks ago, I'm driving down the street called San Mateo. Busy 4, sometimes 6-lane street. I'm going to a construction area close to home. I'm getting ready to make a left turn. Cones and streamers and everything up. I'm slowing down to make the turn. As I'm slowing down to make the turn, a raggedy, I don't know, look like a Chevy Lumina type of car goes around me. The car is red, the driver's door is blue. That's the only reason why I called it raggedy. As he goes to cut me off into the intersection to make the left turn, as he's passing me on the right, he starts to slide. Raggedy car, raggedy tires. He's not going that fast. However, now he's sliding dry pavement toward the curb. You know, the curb. Just sliding toward the curb. The car is slowing down. Doesn't slow down enough. Smashed. Hits this rather high curb. I hear a puff of air. I see a jolt. I just go ahead and make the left turn. Heck, it was my right-of-way left turn. Wasn't no oncoming traffic. I think he probably smashed the radiator along with maybe the tire. So now I'm looking in my rearview mirror. He backs up, and by this time, I'm a block ahead of him, crossing the next intersection, and then he starts coming toward me. I don't see flames or nothing, but he's hobbling toward me, and he makes the next right turn. I don't know. It's just stuff like that would have been front and center on my dash cam. I missed it. Sorry about that. So anyway, I'm in Albuquerque trying to take care of a lot of stuff that's, accumulating over my time I've been gone. I think we left mid-October. Now it's mid-January. We come back primarily because Diane and Elizabeth ordered Diane's dress for Elizabeth's wedding, supposed to be delivered to the apartment. Came FedEx, we get here, no package, no signs of it. Thursday, no signs of it. Friday, no signs of it. Saturday, no signs of it. Sunday. So I file a claim Monday morning. Go check on mom. Come back from checking on mom. The neighbor knocks on my door as I walk in the door. I walked in the door just to grab something. I don't remember what it was. Keys or something. Hey, I got a package for you. Like, the package was delivered December 20th. We get home January 8th, I guess. Maybe 7th. I ain't seen it in 5 days. I'm thinking somebody stole it. So I filed a claim. And lo and behold, the neighbor has it. If you take somebody's package, why don't you be nice enough to leave them a little note? Hey, I got your package across the hall. Thinking about you. Hey, I'd appreciate that. I don't know the neighbor. I've seen her a time or two. Heck, we ain't home to know nobody anymore. Anyway, got the package. That was going to keep me here in Albuquerque. Now I got that package. Got to check that dress out. if it fits or not. If it doesn't fit quite right, we'll probably have to get it altered. Then, man, we're out of here. We're headed east. So that's where I'm at right now, getting ready to go get a nail or screw removed from Panther's tire. They'll probably hit me up for 2 more tires. I think the inside of the tire is wearing out on Panther. You know, when you get your car aligned and then you go throw another 1,000 pounds in the car, that changes your alignment a little bit. You know, start towing other things, that changes your alignment a little bit. So anyway, hopefully they won't say I need tires. If I do, I got to bite the bullet, get a couple more tires. The back tires, man, they're new. I don't know if they got 10,000 miles on them yet. I got them right before I left. So we'll see. And then got a couple other things to do. I'm going to try to fix the carrier, do a fiberglass patch on our carrier before I hit the road. Couple more things I'd like to do before I hit the road. Check why I got this wobble now. I got a vibration in my front end, and just, hey, taking it day by day. Hopefully we get out of here in a couple days. Head back east for our daughter's wedding, take care of a couple people that I was working with, deliver a manual swap or 2, and then head back to Albuquerque for a month or 2. So let's see how this goes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy whatever else is on this video. In this video, I'm going to be adding windshield washer fluid to my vehicle. My vehicle has a warning light inside the dash area. When your windshield cleaning fluid gets low, it'll give you a light showing you that it's low. Here's a picture of that light. My low windshield washer fluid low light comes on occasionally. Now you need to know that there are basically 3 different fluids that you could put into your vehicle. Number 1, you could put what they call all-season fluid in there. However, that fluid may freeze at about 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to use that fluid if your car may be in an environment where the temperature goes below freezing. Because if it goes below freezing and you have a lot of fluid in your reservoir tank, it may break the tank, it may break your washer nozzles, it may split the line going to it, it may destroy the pump that pumps the fluid from the tank to the sprayers on your hood. You just don't want to do that. So if you think the car would be subject to below freezing temperatures, you want to get something either that's good for minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit, and I believe they also have one that goes down to minus 56 degrees Fahrenheit. So keep your environment in consideration, buy the fluid that'll work fine for your car, and go that route. When I went to the store to purchase this fluid, because my environment right now normally goes down to about 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is below freezing, I wanted to get the minus 25, and it appears that they have color coded this fluid. If you go to the store nowadays, the blue fluid is for environments that are above freezing. This purple color fluid is for environments that is down to minus 25 degrees. And then they have another color, I think it may be green, that goes down as low as minus 52 degrees Fahrenheit. So you might want to keep that in mind. Get the color code that works for you. Depending on your vehicle, you will have a reservoir that is a certain size. I believe the reservoir in my car can hold as much as a gallon of this fluid. That's the symbol that you see on it. Cap's a little bit dirty, but it's normally a blue cap. You take that cap off and you simply pour the fluid down that hole. Mine will take as much as a gallon, so I'm going to dump most of that in there and the rest of it in my other car. You pull the top off, it'll have an aluminum seal. I normally pull that aluminum seal out people like to poke that down in the bottle. I don't think that's a good idea, because sometimes a piece of it falls down in the bottle and then you pour that into your tank, which is probably not a good thing. Now my tank has a screen down in it on top of the reservoir, so I'm just going to take this and slowly pour it in there. You could use a funnel if you'd like. I have a relatively steady hand, so I don't normally spill things. I made a little bit of a mess. And if you spill some, no big deal. You can wipe it off with a cloth if you like. No problem at all. That's how much I just poured in my system. It didn't sound like it was full. However, I really can't see the amount in my bottle from here. Maybe I can see it in the sunlight, I don't know. But you want to push the cap back on so nothing else goes in there. And that's all you got to do. You can put the cap on this and store it somewhere until you need some more. To use this fluid that you put in there, usually you take your windshield wiper stock and you pull it towards you. Some cars have a button on the end of the windshield wiper stock that they push in, and it'll squirt the fluid on the windshield, and it will also spray and run the windshield wipers at the same time. Those are my nozzles there. I will say this, I don't really recommend you using your wipers and this fluid to clean heavy debris off of your windshield. An example, if you have a lot of bugs on your windshield or bird crap or something like that, I recommend you go to a gas station. You use the bucket windshield cleaner that they have there, or you go to a car wash. You scrub your windows off with a scrubber, sponge, or whatever, because when you use your wiper blades to clean hard debris off of your windshield, you actually damage your wiper blades. Just a little tip there. You want to use this fluid to clean off minor dirt, things that build up on your windshield over time, dust or something like that, or a little bit of snow or something like that. You should also know that some vehicles, they have headlight sprayers that are used to clean snow and ice off of the headlights, and this fluid that you put in for your windshield is the same fluid that cleans your headlights. And if you have a vehicle that has a rear tailgate with a wiper and washer on that, this same fluid that you put in here will also spray all the way back there to the back and clean that rear window as well. If for some reason you activate your windshield washer cleaning system and it does not spray out, you should open the hood and see if it's leaking somewhere, and or maybe you have a nozzle that is clogged. You could get a needle or something about the size of a small needle and stick it in the hole of your nozzle and get that cleared out. Sometimes you stick a small thing through that side, or you can unplug the hose on the other side of it and clear it out that way, or you can just unplug the hose, pull the hose right off of it, and see if liquid will spray out of the hose. If you don't have liquid coming out onto your glass, you have some kind of clog somewhere. So that's all I got for today. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.